Okay, you sexy and creative soul. So, we are on to the 7 beliefs of successful entrepreneurs. What you're about to watch is inside the Wealthy Creators Club. We're going to jump right into it. But if you implement these 7 beliefs into your being, you're going to increase your income in 2025. You're going to increase your impact. You're going to be more focused, more productive, so much more sure of yourself as a person. And when you do tap into that unshakable confidence, that's when you magnetize the opportunities. That's when you become a magnet for everything and unlock the power of your manifestation abilities as well. So let's jump into these 7 beliefs that all successful entrepreneurs have, and let's get it right and get it tight because our money is growing tonight. Enjoy. And of course, we have to start with belief in your value, your self worth, because everything you do comes down to the alignment of your truth, your embodiment of knowing your value, the prices that you charge for your work comes down to the level of self respect that you have, because your net worth is dictated by your self-worth, right? And your network is also comes down to that. And I find that you can put yourself out there and make connections easier with people when you have that basis of self-worth. And that is when all areas of your life expand. So really believing in yourself and knowing that you dictate how people treat you, right? This is really about boundaries and allowing yourself to say no and allowing yourself to market yourself properly and put yourself out there and get over your self-sabotage and imposter syndrome and all of that, and letting your prices be a direct value of what people get and the transmission they receive by working with you or experiencing your art or your coaching, your brand, right? So remember the affirmation that your work changes lives. Say it with me. My work changes lives, and I am worthy of abundance. I am worthy of my dreams. I am worthy of charging my value. And then that really comes into number 2, which is the belief in the power of focus, which is having clarity, right? Because when we are scattered, when we are thinking about a million things, we are scattering our energy. We're scattering our possibility for abundance and wealth and opportunities to reach us, because there's something in our energy field or our mind or our bodies that's pushing away. Maybe we're running around more. I know that with my business and my life, when I'm traveling the world and running around, it's really hard to stabilize and grow my income and follow up with the people that I'm meant to follow up with to hit my goals. And so creating a home life, a stability, a real area where you can focus, is it the season that you're running around and being a loosey goosey? Or is it the season of your life where you are focused and you are ready to call those things in? Sometimes you can have times of your life where you've built your foundation and you can travel and you can run around and party and you can do all those and the money and the business happens. But I tend to find that you really have to be sure of where your energy is going every day, where your home energy is. Keeping your environment really clean and tidy allows your mind to really just focus on what matters so that you're not distracted by all those little things that actually don't matter and don't move the needle forward for your income, for your goals, for anything that's important in your life, right? And that even comes down to like relationships. Where are you putting your time and energy? Is it really valuing you to get to that next level in your business, in your life? Where do you think you put energy into things, whether it's Netflix or somebody that doesn't give you a direct correlation to really what you want, and then discovering what's underneath that? Is it a fear of failure? Is it a fear of success? Asking yourself these questions, I believe, are really important to getting to that next level of focus and growth, because that next level of growth happens when you're focused. And also when you're really connected to your zone of genius and what you're uniquely good at. So ask yourself that and just revisit why you do this. Align to your mission, and aligning to your mission will allow you to stay more and more focused day by day. You know, James Clear, Atomic Habits, saying 1% better every single day. And then number three is belief in systems and structure and that strategic planning. Because I know as creative people and creative entrepreneurs and spiritual entrepreneurs, we have a million ideas and we like to be a little spicy with it all, right? And we want our ideas to formulate into money and opportunities like right away, but without structures and systems, that's not going to happen. We need to actually get clear and grow our business and brand from the foundation up. And it comes with having these values in place, having systems in place, allowing ourselves to have core offers and a unique selling point to our customers, a unique customer journey and a unique customer experience so that they go through our brand, our business, our offers, and one thing leads to the next. We have our social media, we have our freebies, then we have a low ticket offer, then we have maybe a mid ticket offer or a high ticket offer. It all comes down to what you want out of your life because every business model works, but you have to have a model. You can't just play around and throw spaghetti at the wall, right? That's okay at some levels of entrepreneurship if you are getting market research or you're testing different things out. That's fine. But there comes a point where you have to choose how to move forward because often, like for my personal experience, I didn't grow until I focused on one thing and allowed myself to focus on that one thing over and over and over. Because in the beginning of my business, there was like a million things, and I would focus on it for a week or two, and wouldn't do much, right? And then I kind of saw, wait, I'm really shooting myself in the foot here. I'm really not allowing my own vision, my own internal alignment to catch up with the outer world. We have to put one foot in front of the other day by day in order to see success. Success doesn't happen just by sharing one Instagram story and expecting all these sales to roll in, right? We have to put the work in. We have to put the dedication in. And that's what systems and structures allow us to have in our life. It allows us to have more focus, more dedication, and choosing a lane. I believe that choosing a lane in business is so fucking important. Choose your lane, become a master in that lane, become a master at what you do, and allow yourself to really be great in your unique way. And that goes into number four, which is belief in adaptability and growing. And yes, we have to grow with the market too, right? We have to get clear. We have to pick our systems. We have to pick our structure, but we have to have that growth mindset that we're always going to be learning more. We're always going to be growing more. We're always going to shift when we get feedback. So it's not an all or nothing thing. And that's what entrepreneurship is. It's the ability to be flexible and to change on the go when we need to change because obstacles will arise. You know, that's why I have my high ticket coaching offers because I can help you navigate through deeper changes of your business, right? But we have to know where we're going, where we're headed, our vision, our unique genius, and then be willing to adapt as we go on because years change, seasons change, and our business should change with that, but it grows in alignment to our values, our why, our mission, right? And that has a lot to do with five, which is the value in relationships and connection. That's our mission. That's our values. That's our why. And as long as we stay committed to helping people solve their problems or inspiring people or helping them create more, then we align to an endless supply of opportunity out there because we are connected to service. And when we connect to service, people need us. This world needs us. This world is waking up more. This world needs heart-led, soulful leaders. And I believe that money deserves to be in the hands of people like us. And so we have to just stay committed to our values, keep moving forward, grow the systems, grow the structure, right? And also believe in number 6, which is financial abundance, that we're worthy of everything that we desire, knowing that endless opportunities are coming when we're of service, knowing that our brand is always growing, knowing that the more we integrate in ourselves and embody our truth and our mission and our core elements of who we are, then the endless opportunities come. You hear that dog barking? I don't know if you do with this, but that's an amen. That's a confirmation, right? And remembering with our, with number 6, with our wealth mindset, that our pricing is a portal. I always am saying this because it's an opportunity to help someone step into so much more. And if they can't see the value in that, next, right? Because you see the value in that. Hold the frame, hold that vision, know your authentic truth, know your authentic worth, and go out there with your brand and business and fucking crush it. And that really comes down to number 7, which is just belief in yourself. Confidence. That's where it all comes through. There's a video later in the course about creative confidence and more about my journey and my story and the many trials and tribulations of that. But for now, just allowing all of this to embody into your mind. Okay, so let's take a few moments just to close your eyes and take one deep breath in and out together. We're going to inhale through the nose for a count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Hold for 3, 2, 1, and exhale. Everything out for 3, 2, 1. You are the embodied master of your dreams. You are in alignment with your truth. You are in alignment with your goals, your mission, your values. You get to be making the income you desire. Pick a number. I want that to last in your mind. The feelings that comes with, because you are connected to your values. You're connected to your systems. You're connected to your visions, and you're focused, right? Right. So the endless opportunities are coming. I'm proud of you. This was one of the videos within the Wealthy Creators Club. I did not plan on making this a YouTube, but I just thought, yeah, I fucking would. So if you like this content, if you want to grow your brand, if you want to grow your business, if you're a creative entrepreneur, a spiritual entrepreneur, you are an artist, the Wealthy Creators Club is your place to be. It is weekly group coaching led by me. I'm a clinical hypnotherapist. I'm a mindset coach. I have a music career that has reached millions of people around the world. I've grown my social media to 150,000 followers across my personal brand and my business Creative Life School. And I help visionaries, creatives, entrepreneurs tap into their brilliance and grow a brand around their unique gifts, their unique abilities, and put all of their greatness into packages that let the world see them for all that they are, so that they can charge more, so that their creative work goes further in the world, and so that they are finally compensated, well compensated, and wealthy from their gifts. So if this sounds like something you need in your life, there is so much training, visualizations, meditations, spiritual activations, energetic activations, the weekly coaching, and sales psychology, conscious sales psychology. Everything is in the Wealthy Creators Club. A Go Viral on Instagram course, my Manifestation Academy, which has helped shift so many lives for the last 3 years. It's all in the Wealthy Creators Club at a really low monthly rate. I'll see you inside there. We do weekly coaching on different subjects, a lot of wealth energetics, a lot of embodiment, a lot of mindset trainings. I'll see you in there. The link is down below. I'm Garrett Packness, founder of Creative Life School, and I love you and I'm rooting for you.